get straight to our top story today. Governor Glenn Youngkin now in Buchanan County visiting families impacted by Tuesday's floods.
Yeah, and less than an hour ago, the governor arrived at Twin Valley Elementary School and is helping unload emergency supplies. And we'll have much more on the governor's tour of the hardest hit areas online and tonight on WFXR News at 6.
This comes one day after officials announced everyone first reported missing in the raging waters is now found safe.
Tuesday's flooding is the second major incident in Buchanan County in less than a year. You may remember flash flooding hit the community of Hurley back in October. Well, WFXR's Haley Connor joins us live in the studio with an update on cleanup efforts.
Haley, what are crews facing as they do work to clean up the damage?
Good afternoon to you both. Crews say assessments will begin today to find out how bad that damage is. That information will determine whether or not the state can apply for FEMA disaster assistance. Emergency officials say the latest information shows about 400 structures were impacted. That could mean damaged or loss of utilities. Tuesday's storm pounded the region with more than 4 to 6 inches of rain in just hours. Search and rescue efforts have now turned towards cleanup and repair. It will be a very long road to recovery for some homeowners who say they've lost everything.
Things go. I mean, it's a little community right here. People lost everything, and it's sad. This was at one time a real nice place. It just, you can see, it ain't even safe to get in.
Buchanan County deputies encourage everyone to stay away from the area while the cleanup and damage assessments are going on over the next several weeks. However, donations of cleaning supplies can be taken directly to the Twin Valley Elementary School. Back to you.
Haley, thank you. Several crews from our area are back after being deployed to Buchanan County. Just take a look now at some of these pictures from Lynchburg Fire and Bedford County Special Ops. Yesterday, crews searched submerged cars and trucks along the banks of the Dismal River and worked to assess damage in the Pilgrims Knob community.
Well, if you plan to donate to help flood victims, the Better Business Bureau wants to make sure your money gets to those who really need it. Julie Wheeler with the BBB says you also need to do your homework before sending your money anywhere.
You want to be kind of careful about that unless you actually know the people who have posted that. Unfortunately, you will have less reputable people that will post crowdfunding appeals who are not even involved in this situation.
Well, Wheeler suggests giving to known organizations like the American Red Cross. She says if you have any questions about a fundraising campaign, you can always check with the BBB. And you can find all of our coverage on the devastating flooding at WFXRTV.com.